Hello students, so let's start with question number 5 today. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is given 9 centimeter. This is AB, this is the figure, and this is BC. AD is 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle ABC and the altitude C. Means this area of triangle ABC we have to find out, okay? And after that this altitude. So this is a triangle. For this triangle we can find out the area in two ways. If you will take this base, we will take what will be the height. If this is a triangle, if you are going to take this BC as a base, its height will be, height is not given here in this side. For in this side height is given on this base, okay? So height is not given, so we can, if we will extend this size, suppose this is extended side, we can take height for this triangle, this 6 centimeter, okay? So this will act as a height of this triangle also, because this height is perpendicular on the same extended base. So this will be the height of this triangle. So height, half into base into height, we will find out the area of this triangle. But we have to find this CE also. So again we will find out the area of this triangle by using this formula, half into base into height. This height we will take this time EC, and base we will take 12 centimeter. Okay, see how. This is a figure. Suppose find out the area of this triangle, half into base into height. So take BC into height is AD 6 centimeter. Okay. Now just cancel out 2 3 ja 6, 9 3 ja 27 square centimeter will be the area of this triangle. Now again we are going to find out the area of this triangle ABC to find out the value of this. So half into this time base will be AB and height will be EC. Okay, but area as we have taken out before, we can put this area here because both are same triangle, and here AB into EC we will write, and value of AB is given 12 centimeters, so we will write EC we need to find. So just cancel out this 2 6 and this 6 will come in divide. So EC value we will get 4.5. Okay, now see question number 6. The area of a triangle is equal to the area of a square. Area of triangle and area of a square are equal. Whose each side measure 10 meter? Whose side? This is the side of a square. Find the length of the side of the triangle corresponding to the altitude measuring 5 meter. Very simple question. Area of triangle is equal to area of a square. So we can find out the area of a square very easily, side into side. Okay, because side is given. So this is the area of a square. Now area of triangle will be equal to area of a square given in the question. So can we write here 100 square meter? Now area of triangle formula, half into base into height, that is equal to 100. Now h is given 5 meter, height is given 5 meter in the question. Base we have to find one of the side. So base, this 2 will go in multiply, it is in divide, and this is in multiply, so it will come down divide. Now cancel out 5 2 ja 10, 0 2 2 ja 4. 40 meter will be the base. Okay. Now question number 7. A field is in the form of a parallelogram, has an area of this. Field is in the shape of a parallelogram, okay, and its area is given. Find the length of the diagonal on which the perpendicular drawn from two vertices on either side of it are 12 meter. Means perpendicular's length is given and perpendiculars are falling on diagonal. Figure will be like this. This is a parallelogram, its area is 432. It is given, and suppose this is a diagonal and this is the two perpendicular falling on this diagonal, and perpendicular is given 12 meter. This is also, and BD we need to find out the length of this diagonal BD. Okay, so area of this triangle, first of all we will find out. Area of this triangle plus area of this triangle will be equal to area of this full parallelogram. So area of this triangle will be what? Half into base into height. Height is 12, base is BD, not given. So half into base into height, BD into height is 12. So BD into 6, just cancel out, 2 6 are 12. So 6 into BD, 6 BD. Okay. Now again area of triangle DBC. This triangle we will find out the area of this triangle. So this also half into base into height. Half into base. Base is what? BD and height is 12. Okay. So BD will be as BD only because its length is not given. But height is that 12 only. So here also 6 BD. Now this is area of this triangle and this triangle we have taken out. Now we will add these two triangles area, that will be equal to area of this full parallelogram. So area of parallelogram will be equal to 432, that is given. And according to us, what we have taken out, area of this parallelogram, triangle plus this triangle, add it, 432. So 6 BD plus 6 BD will be equal to 12 BD, 432. Now 12 will come down. So BD value we will get 36 meter. That is this diagonal length. Got it? Now question number 8. PQRS is a rectangle with dimension 28 meter by 20 meter. It is a rectangle. Dimension is means length and breadth is given. PQ is a triangle such that O is the point of intersection of the diagonal. Find the area of the shaded region. Means this is the point of intersection of the diagonal. So here one thing is not given, students, that is the height of this triangle. So height we need to find. So height will be, if this is a point of intersection of these two diagonals, suppose this is diagonal and this is also going as a diagonal, both are intersecting at this point O. So this is the middle point of the rectangle because diagonals is intersecting here. So middle point of, if you will see here, this is full 20 and its middle point line half will be 10, and this will half 10 will act as a height of this triangle. Okay. So height of this triangle will be 10 meter, which is not given in the question. We need to find out like this. Okay. So height you will take as 10 meter and base is 28 meter. So for this shaded region, what we can do? Area of rectangle minus area of triangle, full rectangle area you will find out. After that we will find out the area of this triangle and we will subtract it. We will get the area of this shaded region. So look at here how. Area of rectangle is simple, length into breadth. 28 into 20, that is 560 square meter. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So base you will take 28, height you will take as 10. Okay, that now cancel out. 140 square meter is the area of triangle. Now area of this shaded region we need to find. So area of rectangle minus area of triangle. Area of shaded region will be equal to rectangle minus area, that is equal to 420 square meter. Got it? Now question number 9. Students, it is very simple. You can do it. If I will explain you, you can do. You can see we need to find out the area of this shaded region. Okay. And this is triangular, but its height base nothing is given. So we cannot find out direct its shaded region area, but we can do one thing. First we will find out the area of this full rectangle, that is length into breadth. Okay, breadth is 10, length is this is given 14, this full is 18. So 14, this is 18 minus 14, we can get the value of D. And length is 18, breadth is 10. Can you find out the area of this rectangle, length into breadth? Yes. Now you need to find out the area of this white triangle, unshaded region. This is like a triangle, no? So it's, because it is a rectangle, so here will be 90 degree, here will be 90 degree, here will be 90 degree. So this will act as a perpendicular or height, and this will as a base. So half into base into height, you can find out the area of this white region, triangle. Now again you will find out the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle FDE, half into base into height. But its base will be what? 18 minus 14. That will be 4 centimeter. So half into base into height you will do. You will get the area of this triangle. Now again you will find out the area of this triangle. Half into base into height. So base will be 10, height will be 14. we will get the area of this triangle BCE. And after that you add all this area of this triangle plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. And after adding, we will subtract that from area of full rectangle. Area of rectangle minus area of this 3 triangle. That will be equal to area of this shaded region. Got it? You can try out, okay? And this 2 question also try it. It is very simple. You have to find out the area of this parallelogram. So first we will find out parallelogram not. This is a quadrilateral, not in the shape of so area of quadrilateral means this is a triangle and here this is also a triangle. So if you will find out the area of 2 triangle and add it, we can get the area of this quadrilateral. So how to find out the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. Base is given. And area of this triangle ADC, half into base into height. Height is given. Base is 20 only. After that you add this 2 triangles area, we will get the area of this rectangle. Got it? This 2 question I am not going to explain you. It is your homework. I will not solve it. I have explained you. You have to do. It is very simple questions. Question number 11 I can explain you, or if you will not be able to, I will do it for you. Okay, but this is also very easy question. You can see this is shaded region, this is rectangle. Area of rectangle minus area of this triangle plus this triangle plus this triangle. So it is like this only. Area of this triangle you find out, half into base into height. Area of this triangle, half into base into height. Area of this triangle, half into base into height. Then add up all the triangle and subtract it from area of rectangle. That is length into breadth. Try out, otherwise I will do it. Okay? Ask me in the WhatsApp group if you have doubt in any of these questions. Clear? Okay, next day we will start circle.